going on the second red top battery I had in 2 years. Look, I got it charging, spitting acid. These batteries used to be so good back in the day. I don't know what went wrong, but yeah, we're gonna have to move on from the red tops, guys. All right, let's get this thing open. D3400 AMG non-spillable cell. Oh, this thing heavy. I'm gonna get this out this battery, out this box, I mean. Got some stickers. Three-year warranty. Proper charging. So we're going to have to charge this battery first before we use it. Do not over tighten battery terminals. So check out this battery. I did order the terminals. They come separate. Terminals. I don't think it matters which side they go on, but red top Optima battery is not as heavy as this excess power battery. This excess power battery, obviously it's an AGM battery versus a standard battery, but this thing is heavy. All right, so let's see where we at for charging. Oh wow, guys, take a look at this. Oh, I actually bring the camera over. I was incorrect. It's 95% charged. Let's look at the voltage. 12.7. Wow. All right, so we're gonna charge this up. Shouldn't take long. Shouldn't take long. And I'll come back once we all charged up. Say bye-bye to this Optima battery, guys. 2 years, 2.5 years with the two of these things. Did not hold up. Did not hold up at all. So, hopefully this will be a good one. I think going with the short terminals, I hope the short terminals are good. Obviously, depending on your setup, you may want to go with the long terminals. But I think I'm good with the short ones. We'll see. And I'll actually do some music tests to see if the voltage drops and how far the voltage drops once the bass drops. So stick around for it, guys. All right, guys, I left for a little while. It was on 95% for quite a while, but I also read that over here it says charge voltage not to exceed 14.4 total for extended periods of time, 5-minute max. And this thing been on a charger for roughly about maybe 15 minutes or so, and it was still at 95. So I'm not charging it right now. It's sitting right now at 13.5. If I were to put a charge on it, it would go up very quickly. It's at 14.4. That was the max I was able to get it at was 14.6. So I'm gonna let this thing be and stop the charge. And this thing over here, it's been sitting for quite a while. I know it's super dead battery. Man, these Optimas used to be so good back in the day. So good. The yellow tops, the red tops. But now, they're kind of worthless. 7.3. Look, when I put it on the charge, it's nowhere near 14. Went up, quickly drops. This battery is finito. Toast. Look, still dropping on the charge. It's crazy. All right, so let's get this excess power. This is a 50-pound battery, guys. It says 49.97. And this is, again, is the D3400. I'm excited to get this thing in the car and see how it performs. Still doesn't really fit in here. Oh, yeah, it does. There we go. Guys, let's get this thing on the road. So here we are, we have 14.2. Let's give it some juice.
So high for this blunt.
Let's see how we do. All right, so we went down about 13.9. That was at max. The max I normally play is at 50. I normally don't get any, don't go any louder than that. I normally ride around probably at 40, 45, but the max was at 50. So let's get another one in. We seen it drop down in the 12s. We seen it drop down to 12s, but that was at max. That was at max I normally play it at. That was at the max I normally play it at, which is 50, and I don't play it at 50 for quite a long time. But it went down about 12.9, I think. Did you guys see that? 12.9. But you know, in between 40 and 45, it stayed at high 13s, low 14s. But you know, again, I'm on a stock alternator. So that's another thing I probably need to get done. I reached out to a couple people who make alternators, and they said they don't have a source to fit my car. So you know, I'm still in the search. Once I get that done, obviously upgrade to the big 3. The next thing I got for this car that I'm going to be doing is swapping out this head unit. Swapping out this head unit for this right here. Yep, we're going to be putting the OEM cassette player back in this thing, guys. We're putting it back in here. And I got a new CD player that's going to fit compact inside the glove box. It's also going to be Bluetooth and USB, so you know, I don't need the cord coming from out of here, so that's going to be cool. So hopefully you guys like this video. Hopefully you know, you guys got some knowledge from the excess power battery, and I like it. So far so good. It did drop down to that, below that 13. There was a lot of bass on that track, and you know I'm on a stock alternator as well, so I got to put that in place. But so far so good, and I'll keep you guys updated throughout this process, the same like I did with that Optima battery. You guys seen when it went down the first time, you guys seen when it went down the second time. So again, I'll see you on the next one. Stay positive, stay motivated. Salute.